The Autodesk Clean Tech Partner Program grants free design and engineering software to early-stage clean technology companies in North America. Our next guest is here to tell us about this program that you might, if you act quickly, have an opportunity to be part of. She is the Director of Sustainability at Autodesk, Lynelle Cameron. Lynelle, welcome back into Tomorrow. How are you?
Thank you. Great, Dave.
We've had you on the show last year, I believe, right here at Autodesk University.
Yep.
Learned a whole lot about what sustainability is and what's going on and what you and your team's efforts are. This year, you've got an even more exciting thing happening with this special grant program. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so the Autodesk Clean Tech Partner Program. Let me first tell you what clean technology means and how we've defined that, because we're hearing a lot about sustainable design here at Autodesk University, and I want to make the distinction.
Okay.
So clean technology refers to those companies whose primary business activity is selling a product or service that addresses an environmental challenge. So this is about renewable energy companies, wind, solar, water treatment technologies, energy efficiency technologies, as opposed to a company like Motorola coming out with a greener phone. So that fits more into the sustainable design category, green building, et cetera. So clean technology is what we're focused on with this program, and we're essentially granting a package of software, 6 different applications to promising clean tech startup companies that want to use our technology to help them get to market faster.
Gotcha. So here's some real valuable software that they can do some incredible things with in helping them design what they're dealing with for clean tech. And how does one get involved in such a program?
So the quickest way to get involved is autodesk.com/cleantech. You'll fill out a very simple application, and then we will get in touch with you quickly to figure out what your design software technology needs are and whether you are the right fit for the program.
Are you also like sorting through whether you've already been there and done that with others, or folks are already addressing that issue? What else have you got, kind of thing? Or are you even doing some things that might seem duplication, or in a sense, I guess, competitive opportunities to see who can do it better?
Well, we're essentially looking for the most promising 100 clean tech startups in North America. So that's where our focus is right now.
So regardless of what they're doing, as long as it's involving clean tech.
Oh, well, we want them to be the ones that are going to win in the clean tech space. And you know it's a very, very crowded space. And so we're actually working with a lot of clean tech investors and others to help us narrow down that search. So
very cool. Now, how soon can folks know whether or not they're part of this program?
Yeah, so it's a rolling admission. So when they contact us, we will immediately work with them. I mean, the key is to get the companies that are early stage but are ready to use the technology. And as you know, with some of the clean technologies like the green ocean technology that was displayed this morning, these are complex, brand new technologies. And so a lot of these companies are challenged to communicate their ideas to their investors to get to market faster. But by building a digital prototype of their idea, they can see how it will perform in the real world before actually creating the expensive physical prototypes.
Gotcha.
So that's what it's about.
And of course, here's where all these Autodesk programs come in handy to allow them, in many cases, perhaps they're new to some of these programs or even all of them.
Yeah.
And you find that a lot of these folks, as you mentioned, startups especially now, have an opportunity to do some great things, but learn this software and get really involved in great design opportunities.
Exactly. So what we do is we pair them with one of our local resellers so that they get the training and support to get up to speed really quickly. So in the software package involves Vault, Revit, Inventor, Alias, Navisworks, and Showcase. So any of those are part of the kind of digital prototyping workflow.
Terrific. And you would imagine that a lot of people will not only take advantage of those programs, but learn along the way as well to become more productive for their own operation, let alone what they're going to end up doing in the long run, I would guess.
Yeah,
so,
you bet. You bet.
Terrific. And are they getting ongoing support as well? I mean, is Autodesk now kind of holding their hand through this process if they're picked?
Right. So we are pairing them with a local reseller, and the reseller is providing the training and support so that they can learn the tools.
And of course, because that local retailer is someone who is trained to do this and make sure that they have the ongoing support through Autodesk.
That's what they excel at.
Yes,
you bet.
Exactly.
That's what they do. Yep.
What is it that Autodesk in the long run hopes to get then from this program?
Yeah, so there's kind of two main reasons why we're doing it. The first, of course, is because we think that the clean technology revolution, if you will, is a super important one, and this is a way that we can help assist get these technologies to market faster. That's the obvious one. Yeah. But these clean tech entrepreneurs are among the best and brightest who are really solving environmental challenges and issues. So we want to learn from them as we think about future iterations of our own software as well. So it's a great two-way partnership as we see it.
And here at Autodesk University this week, no doubt a lot of these kinds of folks are networking and getting involved and maybe even applying right here.
Yep, you bet. Many of them are here. We hope certainly to see a spike in the applicants as a result of today. And also, right now the program is focused on North America, as we mentioned, U.S. and Canada. But there's an intent to roll out a very similar kind of program in China. It'll be different, but in China and potentially other parts of the world as well.
Ah, terrific. So everyone globally can get involved in what is a global scenario here and solving these issues.
Yep, you bet.
Well, terrific. Lynelle, you're a pleasure to talk with all the time. Always coming up with cool, fun things as they relate to sustainability. So if you continue to sustain, we will continue to talk to you about all the cool things. Autodesk.com/cleantech. For more information, you may even want to apply for this program that Lynelle was just talking about. So by all means, hit the site. We'll link you to it as well when you visit our site. Look for the broadcast for the weekend of December 11th on Into Tomorrow, and we'll get you there. Thanks so much for spending a few minutes with us here at Autodesk University.
Thank you.
Our pleasure. We're back with more Into Tomorrow. I'm Dave Graveline on the Advanced Media Network.